What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raquel. Today we are going to do a holiday makeup look, and this is going to be very similar to my everyday makeup. I make it a little bit more festive. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so happy holidays, you guys. Let's get into this makeup look. First, we're going to start off by prepping the skin. It's very cold in Texas, so my skin is very dry. Skincare before makeup is essential. I don't know about you guys, but my family, like, we don't really dress up for Thanksgiving. We kind of just all hang out in our sweatpants and our comfy clothes. I'm not doing a very glamorous look. I kind of just want to look put together with minimal makeup, well, looking like I'm wearing minimal makeup. I love this time of the year. I just pray that everyone has a beautiful, beautiful Thanksgiving, and whatever you're going through, God's with you. I'm very thankful for everything that I have. I'm very thankful for you guys watching. So now that I have skincare on, we're going to prime the face, and of course I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Makeup just really holds with this. This is already tacky. We love that. I forgot to put on this brightening eye balm. It's also a hydrating eye balm. This the other day. It's pretty good, so I want to try it again. Under my eye. Massage this into my face. Cooking all day yesterday. I hope my food tastes good. I know it will. I made empanadas, and I made mac and cheese, yams, I made pumpkin pie, apple pie, cheesecake, and today I need to make the flan, our Puerto Rican rice, arroz con dulces, and then I'm going to make pastelón, which is like a lasagna dish with plantains. It is so good. All right, my eye. Oh, I thought my camera was dying. I was about to freak out. So my eyes are nice and hydrated. All right, for foundation, I'm gonna use the OG. I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but I'm gonna use their complexion stick. When I put this on, it looks a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but once it's blended out, it's so beautiful. This is like your skin, but better. I'm gonna use this for foundation today. I'll show you guys what it looks like on my skin. You see, like, it looks a little bit lighter, but trust me, once this blends out, it is stunning. The only thing that I don't like about it is the smell. Other than that, it's great. This out with my fingers. You can see how beautiful it goes into the skin. Look at that. My forehead. I have been watching all of the Christmas movies. Like, I start in July, okay? I watch all of the Christmas movies all year round, like baking like Christmas cookies and watching my Christmas movies. I just watched the new one on Netflix, Best Christmas Ever, and it was so cute. Like, all of the emotions, funny, sad, happy. It was just like a roller coaster of emotions. It was so good. Now that we have our foundation all nice and blended out, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario concealer. I still think this is the best concealer on the market. It is so good. It looks so beautiful on the skin. I'm gonna take that and put it here in my inner corner, a little bit under the eye, and then up here like that. Same thing on this side, and up like that. I just got a new beauty sponge, and it gets dirty so quick. Just wet it, paper towel, and I dab the excess water on the paper towel. And then I'm just gonna go underneath my under eyes. I let it sit for a few minutes just to let it get tacky. And I'm gonna take my beauty sponge, my beauty blender here. I go up like this. So it kind of lifts my face, the concealer. It's like a free facelift here. Same thing on this side. I just love this concealer, it's so pretty. Family is super chill for the holidays. Like, we kind of just like eat throughout the day. We say grace, we say what we're thankful for, but we just eat throughout the day. We have football on, and we don't do anything like super formal. Everyone's in their comfy clothes. I love Thanksgiving. I'm just gonna wear my pajamas. When I mean pajamas, I mean sweatpants and the biggest sweatshirt I have. And I'm going to eat everything. Concealer is on. It is looking so good. Now we're going to contour the face. The OG Crystal Contour Collection. One of the best cream contours I've ever used. Wait till you see how this blends out. So so creamy. I go like this. And then I bring it under my chin. Then I take the OG, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, blender brush. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna blend out my forehead and anywhere that I put the cream contour. Look at that. Comes out so beautifully. Then obviously under the chin too. Can't forget that. Alright, I have this side nice and blended. Let's do this side now. Foundation's on, concealer's on, contour's on. Now let's set the face. And I'm gonna use the Milk new setting powder that they just came out with, I think like a few months ago. Okay, this is their Pore Eclipse Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent Medium. I put some on my brush and just kind of tap it into my skin. Concealer's at, and then probably a little bit on my forehead. So I have the powder on my brush. I'm just gonna tap it under my eyes like so. I need to get better at multitasking, like doing and talking at the same time. But I'm like so focused on what I'm doing. It's hard for me to speak. Okay. Tap into the skin. My eyes are dark around them, and I actually never noticed that until I went in to get a consultation for filler, and the lady was like, this was like a few years ago when my face was breaking out and everything. She was like, you need to get your face fixed before you come see me. I was like, girl, what? I'm thankful for her. Even though I left not feeling well, and I was following her on Instagram for so long, and I was so excited to get work done by her, but she was like, yeah, you need to get your face fixed before you come and see me. It's been, I think, 3 years now, and I'm very thankful for that interaction. Even though it hurt, it stung. She did help me find the girl who helped clear it up my face, so I'm very thankful for that. But then she also told me, she was like, yeah, you have dark circles. I was like, I never even really noticed that, but I can obviously see it now with my makeup. So what I do is I kind of just let my dark circles be my eyeshadow, and I really never even noticed it until she pointed it out. She was like, yeah, you have dark circles. And I was like, do I? She was like, yeah, you have dark eyes. And I was like, do I? But listen, everything happens for a reason. I'm gonna take some on my forehead here, maybe a little bit on my chin. Time for blush. We're gonna use my favorite blush ever. This is the Rare Beauty blush in Grateful. It is a beautiful red. I actually haven't put this on in a minute because I've been trying to expand and try different products. So I'm really excited to put this on today. I think it's gonna be really pretty for the holidays. It's just such a gorgeous red, and it looks beautiful on all skin tones. Very pigmented, by the way. I'm gonna just take a little bit and dab it here, and I'm gonna show you guys my trick, okay? So I'm gonna take actually a little bit more and dab it here as well, but a tinier dot, a smaller dot. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Because Rare Beauty blush is so pigmented, I take their liquid luminizer, mix it with the blush. I'm gonna put a dot right here and a dot right here. I need to clean my brushes, but I'm gonna take my blush brush, and I think I just got this off Amazon. I'm not really sure what brand this is. But I definitely need to get new brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna start by dabbing it like this and kind of mixing it, right? I like to smile. I like to bring it up really high too. Apples on my cheek. If you know, you know, Rare Beauty blushes are so pigmented. Mixing it with the luminizer kind of like dilutes it a little bit, I guess. That would be the right word to use. And you can see I have my blush and my highlighter on at the same time. I also like to take it and swoop it across my eyes because it kind of just gives me like a little eyeshadow. I don't know, just swoop it across my eyes, bring it out to my temples. Take it across my nose as well. And I know it looks a little harsh here, but we're gonna take my we're gonna take the Beauty Blender and kind of buff out all of those harsh lines. And then obviously if you want the red to pull through a little bit more, do more of the blush than the highlighter, or less of the highlighter, more blush. But again, I'm just going for a very simple, chill look. So let's buff this out. I'm gonna go in with more setting powder. I'm actually gonna use the little triangle puff. This needs to be washed, so don't mind me. On the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes. I feel like I want to put a little bit more blush just to bring out that red a little bit more, but I am worried that I'm going to go overkill on my blush because I tend to do that. It's showing a little bit lighter on camera, but I promise you in the mirror you can see the red. If you have a red powder blush, that would be really pretty on top. I don't have one, I just have pinks because I'm always just attracted to getting the same color. I don't know why I do that. I always go to pinks. If you have a powder blush, you could just put it on top of that and it can just brighten it a little bit more. I think I may leave it. Or I have this Pat McGrath. Ooh, the lid fell off. I have this Pat McGrath. This is their legendary Glow Balm. I can put this on the back of my blush brush and just kind of like dab it into my face, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to do that or not. Should we just do it for the sake of the video? All right. It's not red though, it's like a purpley shade. All right, let's just do it. Let's just see. I'm just gonna put like a little bit, the tiniest bit, and then dab this on the back of my hand. Then put it here. I put the tiniest bit because I didn't want to go overkill. Pretty. Honestly, you probably can't tell. I'm putting like the smallest amount and then buffing it out on my hand. We're gonna set the face now. This is the Milk Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray. I know we said we were going for a dewy look. This does matte my face, but the glow is still gonna go through, especially. I told you guys the sprayer was broken, right? So it's just like a stream instead of like a spritz. I gotta get a new one. I don't know if you can tell on camera how this is coming out. It's literally like just a stream. My face is drenched. What I'm gonna do is take the Rare Beauty blush that I put on my cheeks, the red blush. I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my finger, dab it into the center of my lips. I just want my lips to look blushed. Like, I don't want it to look like I have lipstick on. I just want to have like a little peek through color. The final makeup look, this is what I'm wearing for Thanksgiving. This is how I'm doing my makeup. Simple, easy, fast. Very festive with the red blush and glossy little blush lips to match my blush. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I love you guys so much. I hope you have the most wonderful holiday, and I will catch you in Sunday's video. Bye. Okay, also you guys, if you're going to get anything for Black Friday, let it be these lights from Amazon. Look at the lighting now. It's all right. I mean, it's kind of dark. Can't really see anything. You know, nothing really exciting about this. These lights right here. Ready? You see it now? This is with one light. Look at that. And then this is with two lights. I'm telling you, game changer for literally everything. Like, if you're a content creator, even if you're not a content creator, I'm telling you, these lights, game changing, and they're super affordable on Amazon. I will link them. It will be in the description box and underneath the video. These are amazing. They really are the best lights. I don't really need to, but I like to use two, have them both on each side. And I don't use a ring light, I just use these lights. Clip it right on your phone. I have my camera screen, and this does such a difference for your videos. So this is with. This is without. And then you can also adjust the color on these ones. You can adjust the brightness. We're good. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. I'll catch you in Sunday's video. Bye.